If you're encountering an invalid credentials error on your Abound 2026 device, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Verify username and password. Check that you are entering the correct username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that the caps lock key is not enabled. Step 2. Reset password. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure verification details are ready. Step 3. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause login issues. Try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or switching to a different network. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. If you are using a web browser to access Abound, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve any stored data conflicts that may be causing the error. Step 5. Update device software. Make sure your Abound 2026 device is running the latest software version. Check for updates in the settings menu and install any available updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid credentials error on your Abound 2026. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.